Zheng Xingze is back on his family farm in the west of Taiwan after spending 14 years wrongfully imprisoned. He was convicted of killing a police officer and spent 10 years on death row before being freed. He's trying to make up for lost time by spending as much of it as he can with his parents and his nieces, born while he was inside.
亲人过世不能去送行啊，然后自己的弟妹结婚不能参加，所以这遗憾的东西有很多，但是最基本的，你跟父母平常的互动就短少了10几年，这是比较直接的了，会比较那个亲情的话，好像会有一点空白。
Zheng was exonerated 7 years ago after a review of forensic evidence pointed to the real killer being another man. Zheng had been tortured into a confession, and during various retrials he was tried by the same panel of judges twice. According to Taiwan's rules, the judges should have recused themselves. Miscarriages of justice like Zheng's are part of the reason there's low public trust in Taiwan's courts. More than half of Taiwanese don't have faith in their justice system, according to a 2022 survey by the opposition-aligned National Policy Foundation think tank. Taiwan's courts don't have juries, and many people think judges, who often talk down to defendants, are out of touch with society. Now, Taiwan's judicial authorities want to address this. They've brought in a new system where members of the public get to sit alongside judges on benches. It's not quite a jury system, but these citizen judges will get to weigh in on murder and some other serious cases and decide on punishments together with professional judges, who some campaigners say are often too swayed by the prosecution's case, which they get to read before the trial starts.
在过去的冤案的历史里面，会看到有一些是因为，比如说法官已经在非常前阶段的这个审理之中接触到卷证，有一个既定的印象。那后面不管是律师怎么样子举证，但是有一个隧道的视野。
96% of prosecutions end in conviction in Taiwan. That compares to 83% in Britain, 92% in the United States, and more than 99% in China. A judge with responsibility for the new citizen judge system says there's a lack of understanding between the public and the judiciary.
Sometimes lay people, it's hard for them to understand how the judges make their inferences in the judgments and how the judges evaluate the evidence and how judges reach their judgments. So if the judgments are not in accordance with the lay people's opinions, the people might think that judgments are incorrect or inappropriate.
Judge Wen says citizen judges will bring in new perspectives, as those in the profession have largely similar backgrounds. An NGO that helped free the wrongfully convicted Zheng says they're not sure citizen judges will mean the end to miscarriages of justice.
那唯一一个担忧是在于，有点害怕，有点担忧说，以这样的一个国民法官制度有人民背书的情况下面的有罪判决，在未来会不会是更不容易被推翻，更不容易被挑战？
Zheng's claim for additional state compensation for torture was rejected in December due to the statute of limitations. But the ruling confirmed publicly that he was tortured by police. No police officers have ever been punished. Yet perhaps unexpectedly, Zheng is hopeful for the future of Taiwan's justice system.
比如说，学校他们是法律系的学生，我都会开玩笑的跟他讲说，我对于目前司法的看法是失望，但是我对未来的司法我是有期待，因为我想要看到你们去改变。
But rather than thinking too much about the future, Zheng's now very much living in the present. Having lived through a death sentence and not knowing when his last day might be, he's learnt not to make predictions about tomorrow. Ricky, Irene Wu and Louise Watt for TaiwanPlus.